Hello again. So in this video we're going to wrap up our discussion of algebraic expressions. We talked about writing, simplifying, and evaluating algebraic expressions. Now we're going to put it all together in one problem. So here it goes. The scenario is John Doe works for Boring Corp. It's a company. At Boring Corp, all employees are paid a yearly salary plus a bonus of $20,000. So employees are paid different salaries but all receive the same bonus. John makes X dollars for his salary. His boss, being the generous type, gives him a 20% raise, so his salary increases by 20% but the bonus stays the same. Write and simplify an expression for the percent increase in the total amount John gets paid. Okay, so the idea behind this problem is that John gets paid a total amount which is equal to his salary plus his bonus. Now his salary increases by 20%, but his bonus does not increase at all. So the total amount he gets paid is not going to increase by 20%. So we're going to write an expression for this percent. The total amount he gets paid increases, and the variable we're given, the only variable, is X in dollars, representing his original salary. So to start off here, we need to know about percent difference. Now percent difference, either increase or decrease, is going to be equal to the general expression for this is new amount minus old amount, our original amount if you like, over the old amount. So the numerator there is just talking about is just the difference in how much something changes. Alright, if just put in some numbers here. If we have 10 and it increases to 12, percent difference, or the percent increase since it's going up, is going to be the new amount, which is 12, minus the old amount, which is 10, over 10, and that's just 2 over 10, or else 0.2. And if we want to put that in percent, remember to put a decimal into percentage, we multiply it by 100. So we move the decimal over 2 to the right, so we get 20%. So what that's saying is that if something was 10 and then it increased to 12, that'd be a 20% increase. So that's just a little review there to make sure we're on the same page. So now if we want to take this general percent difference little expression here and put it into our specific case in the percent difference in the total amount John earns, AMT for amount, because that's what we're writing an expression for. If we want to do that, we do for a new amount, it'd be new total amount, that's what we can call it, minus old total amount over the old total amount. Now let's stop here and think before this gets too messy. So we have two expressions here inside this one expression. We have, I'll do this in blue, the new total amount, and then we have the old total amount. It appears twice. So we need to figure out more specific expressions for each of these two expressions, new total amount and old total amount, because what we're doing here is we're going from a general to more specific. So we went from the general percent difference formula, new amount minus old amount for old amount, and then we're just going to go more specific, applying this to his case, and then we're going to look at the new total amount and the old total amount, get expressions for that. So, and keep in mind here that the bonus is going to stay the same no matter what. It's always going to be $20,000. So if we want to talk about the new total amount, an expression for that in words would be I'll do this in blue since I underlined this in blue. Remember, the general expressions for total amount someone gets paid is salary plus bonus. So this would be his new salary, and we don't have to write new bonus. It's just bonus because the bonus stays same. So that's the new total amount. Now the old total amount, if we want to get an expression and words for that, would be just the same thing except his old salary instead of new salary. So hopefully this is making sense to you here. Bonus stays the same. So now what we have to do is take these expressions that we found and substitute them in for new total amount and old total amount there and there. So I'm going to rewrite this substituting in those new expressions we found. So we have, I'll do this in blue, in parentheses as well, new salary plus bonus. This is just replacing his new total amount. And we're subtracting the old total amount, which is old salary plus bonus. And once again, dividing by old salary plus bonus. It's going to be a lot of writing, for me at least, in this video. Okay, so now we've got our expression into words. That's never a bad idea to start off with that first. Now, though, we've got to put in some variables and numbers into our expression. So the only variable that we were given was x, representing his old or original salary. So we can substitute in where it says old salary, we can substitute x in for that. I'll rewrite this again. New salary plus bonus minus x plus bonus over x plus bonus, old salary and our x in for old salary. Okay, and we also know the bonus, right? We said it was $20,000 no matter what. So we can put that in for our $20,000 in for where it says bonus. I'll just do this all in black here. New salary plus $20,000 minus quantity x plus $20,000 all over x plus $20,000. Okay, now we've got everything into numbers or variables except new salary. So that's the last thing we need to take care of.